Hey guys, I'm gonna do the oil change on my SLS, and I'm gonna show you what it takes to do an oil change on this car. So let's start. Alright, so that's your oil reservoir. This is a dry engine, so you don't have an oil pan. Underneath, you have a few things to do before you get to the oil reservoir. You do have a couple subframe supports that you need to take out. I started taking them out, and you have 3 bolts. One here, one in the middle, and one in the end. Once you do that, you'll have access to the oil reservoir. And once you drain that, there are a couple hoses that you're gonna have to take out and drain the reservoir fully, and I'll get to that and video it. Alright, I've taken the subframe support off, and here's the oil reservoir. This is a drain, and the 2 hoses that you need to disconnect are this here and this here, and that will fully drain the engine. Alright, I'm gonna get started on this.